Hello guys, welcome back. In today's challenge, can you guess the celebrity by their eyes? Okay, let's play quiz. Can you guess this one? Yeah, it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Do you know these eyes? Yes, it's Elon Musk. Can you guess the celebrity? Awesome, it's Priyanka Chopra. Any idea about this one? Yes, it's Nicole Kidman. Can you guess the celebrity? Yes, it's Shah Rukh Khan. Can you know this one? Yes, it's Vin Diesel. Any idea about this eye? Yes, it's Virat Kohli. Can you guess this one? Yes, it's Emma Watson. Any idea about this eyes? Yes, it's Shakira. Can you guess the celebrity? Yes, it's Dwayne Johnson. Can you guess this one? Yes, it's Britney Spears. Can you guess these eyes? Tom Holland. Any idea about this celebrity? Cillian Murphy. Can you guess this one? Angelina Jolie. Can you know these eyes? Chris Hemsworth. Any idea about this one? Yes, it's Jennifer Lopez. Can you guess the eye? Will Smith. Can you guess this one? Awesome, it's Justin Bieber. Can you know this eyes? Jennifer Lawrence. Any idea about this one? Awesome, it's Rihanna. Can you guess the celebrity? Brad Pitt. Can you guess this ice? Awesome, Amber Heard. Can you guess this one? Miley Cyrus. Can you guess the celebrity? Yes, it's Jason Momoa. Any idea about this one? Megan Fox. Okay, pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.